What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we have some new parts I'm gonna be installing from the Extreme Online store. It's more carbon fiber, as you can see when the sun hits it. So by taking a look at it, I mean, you should already know what it is. Maybe not. So these are gonna go right here. They're the side skirts for 24 through 25 Mustangs. Bro, look at that, fitment's pretty good. It's gonna look like an easy install. They already pre-made a hose for you, so there's about 6 holes. Carbon fiber is nice, really nice and clean. It's gonna match the front lip and the hood. This is also from Extreme Online store, so is the hood. So yeah, guys, let's get this started. It should be a quick install. So they supply double-sided tape just in case, and the bolts to bolt it on. So we're gonna go ahead and do this little quick install. Should probably take like 10 minutes, maybe half an hour with recording. But yeah, so let's cover up all this, like the ABS plastic stuff. So look nice. All right, guys, one more thing. Don't forget to hit the like button and drop a comment if you want, you know, extra support. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel at Locos.Garage, or Instagram, or my personal 5.0 Nico. But yeah, the car's looking good. I just washed it today. I'm excited for this install. I'm gonna do a short video for Instagram right now too, as well, for the install. We'll see how it goes. All right, guys, like I was saying, it comes with double-sided tape. It also comes with these screws right here. Pretty nice. So I'm gonna use this gun to get under here, because I don't have my jack right now to lift up the car. So there should be enough space to go under and go zoom, you know. Hopefully, we'll see right now. But yeah, so it comes with all these nice hardware. And then, like I said, a double-sided tape. So if you want, you can put a double-sided tape on here or on a stock side skirt. So I think I'm not going to do the double-sided tape just because the fitment is so good. Like, honestly, when you put it up against it, let's see if I can do this one hand. So the fitment is great. I gotta slow down a little bit more. It's a little hard. All right, so like that. So the fitment is pretty flush. So I think what I'm gonna do is just do the bolts underneath, and that's pretty much it. Instead of putting a double-sided tape. All right, guys, so I am using the hardware. It's pretty good. So right now I put one in the front, one in the back, and look at that, clean, bro. Clean, bro. All right, so like I was saying earlier, they have pre-hose made already. I don't know if you can see that right there. So it's gonna be a little hard to record. I'm gonna try my best. Let's see, put the phone right there maybe. So all you're gonna do is drill it in. Just like that. The fitment is flush, looks good. All right, guys, this side's pretty much done. Look at the fitment on that, bro. Nice. Now I just gotta be careful when I drive it, because I don't want this to get messed up, you know. But yeah, the fitment is good. Honestly, it fits pretty firm. I'm not gonna lie to you. The quality's like pretty much perfect. Like I said, you could use a 3M tape, but I went ahead to use the bolts or screws that's supplied. Those honestly does the job. Look at, doesn't even move. So honestly, it looks pretty great. All their carbon matches, as you can see. Looks good. So now we got this side done. So what we did to this side, it's simple. We're gonna do it to the other side. I am doing it on the floor, so you don't need to lift the car if you don't need to. If you have one of these, perfect. Makes the job way easier. And like I said, if you guys want, they supply the 3M tape, the double-sided tape, but I'm not going to use that. So honestly, they care about you guys. Like, they give you guys pretty much everything with the kit, what it comes with. Whoa. Hell yeah, bro. Damn. Let's see. So obviously this is the passenger side, as you can see. The carbon is good. It's not cracked or anything. It's direct fit. Honestly, see. The other side was perfect, so let's see this side. All right. Looks pretty good. I just need to put some bolts in it and see how it goes. All right, guys. So now we're doing this side. Hopefully the video comes out good. So same thing what we did to this side, we're gonna do to this side. Oops, that was a fail. So you want to put some pressure on it. This way it helps drill the hose a little bit easier. Oh, no way, my battery died. Damn, let me see. Let me reboot it, maybe. Let's see. Damn, it died. Alright. Hold on, 1 second break. Alright guys, real quick. Let me find the part number on here for you guys. Oh man, I just seen it. Alright, take it. So that's the part number right there. So if you're looking for side skirts for your 24 to 25 Mustang, that's it right there. We also got this rear spoiler from Extreme Online Store and a gurney flap, the carbon fiber gurney flap. Looks so good in the sun. Also, we got this reverse light, the smoked edition. I think looks nice. Bro, honestly, everything fits perfect. Like, I cannot complain with their products. They never disappoint. Honestly, have good reviews. Bro, big shout out to them. I appreciate them a lot. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this install. Everything's all nice and clean. Really good fitment. I posted a video on Instagram, so go ahead and check it out at 5.0 Nico. Bro, when the sun was popping earlier, that thing was looking clean. Since the car's all nice and clean too. Oh damn, bro. Damn, that thing's clean. I like it, bro. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna drop the link down below. Go ahead and check them out at Extreme Online Store. They also have a YouTube channel and they have a website, obviously, Extreme Online Store. They also have an Instagram and Facebook page. Yeah, but go ahead and check them out, guys. They make good stuff, good quality stuff, as you can tell. Clean, bro. Big shout out to them, making my car come out way much like cleaner, way nicer. Bro, in the paint in the sun, that thing's hitting. Yeah, guys, so the simple install. Like I said, I didn't use a 3M tape because honestly the fitment is perfect. I just used the screws. I did 6 of them or 7 of them on each side, and boom, done. You know what you guys think about the install? Drop a comment how it looks. You know, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys later on in the future. Peace.